Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. On this opportunity, I am Musa Nariati from Science Education, Integrated Science Department, Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science, Semarang State University. Will present my article. The title is The Effectiveness of Using Gamification Concept with Scratch Interactive Media for Support Science Learning Process. The introduction is according to LASA 2019, improving the quality of human resource education from primary and secondary education to tertiary education is the key to connect it up with the development of the Industrial Revolution 4.0. In this era, education needs that can form a generation capable of mastering the skill of 21st century skill, that is critical thinking, creative thinking, communication, and collaboration. This skill can be achieved by optimizing the application of technology in science education. According to Arfiansyah et al. 2019, the science learning process that has taken place in school until now tend to be a boring routine. This problem requires a solution, one solution that can use application of multimedia during science learning process. The application, for example, there is gamification. The gamification method is the implementation of procedure and strategies from the game into a non-game content to solve problem to reach a goal. That is also very suitable when applied to the 2013 curriculum, because the concept of gamification is intended for a scientific approach where students can observe the material by looking at picture, asking questions, processing data, and communicating the image content in the learning media. And according to Arfiansyah et al. 2019, state that Scratch is a program development by the MIT. Scratch is a new programming language that is easy to use for creating games and animation. The next is method. This article is a literature review, so the review described include the result of previously published research on the effectiveness of the application of the gamification concept with Scratch interactive media as a support for the science learning process. To investigate this problem, we need to search for database article to Google Scholar and Eric Reward to the application of Scratch media in the concept of gamification as a support for the science learning process. And on the screen, we can see the display of Google Scholar and Eric. When we do a search, we can write down the keyword from the article that we are looking for in the search column. The next is result and discussion. Industry 4.0 is the era of technological disruption because automation and connectivity in a sector will make the movement of the industrial world and job competition non-linear. One of the unique factors of Industry 4.0 is the application of artificial intelligence or AI. The next is media element. The most important part of a game that is the core and generally represent the application is the game mechanics. The game mechanics can find in games such as storytelling, page, points, letters, and avatar. And according to Hanson 2014, the Scratch media has 5 main elements, that is graphic, sound, interface, gameplay, and story. And on the screen we can see an image showing the feature available in the Scratch menu. Next, gamification concept with Scratch interactive media in science education. Applying the media in the science learning process can be very important because the abstract and complex scientific material can make more easily understood by students. One of the media that can use to improve understanding of science is a game combined with Scratch interactive media. So to support the learning process, teacher can take advantage of modern tools such as a gamification combined with Scratch to support the learning process and reduce the difficulty level of students' understanding of the material. The next is advantage and disadvantage. The application of assistive media to support the learning process does not always provide the advantage, but can also disadvantage. According to 2016, the advantage of implementation of the gamification concept is creates interactive media in science education that is learning process becomes more fun, giving motivation for the student to complete their learning activity, help students focus more and understand the material, provide opportunities for students to compete, explore, and excel in the class. But the disadvantage that is require an internet connection and a good computer specification is needed to access it. The next is conclusion. This article provides information about applying the gamification concept with Scratch interactive media in science education. Basically, this article also explains the benefits of applying the gamification concept with Scratch interactive media in the science learning process. The gamification concept with Scratch interactive media is a combination of games concept presented on animation video. So even talk during application, the gamification concept with interactive scratch media tend to have a positive impact. It is better if the teacher still adapt to the need to student if it is applied. And the last is reference. That is the reference that I use to read this article. I think it is all from me. Sorry for any mistake and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.